Today we'll be discussing a phone from Tecno that offers outstanding features at a great price, making it one of the top budget phones, as they say. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, and you're the one who will help us achieve that. Pause the video for a few seconds and make sure to like and subscribe. Today we'll be reviewing the Tecno Spark 30C, where we'll go over all its features. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. Phone design. The first thing we'll talk about is the design. The phone's design is simple and sleek. Despite being a budget-friendly and affordable device, in my opinion, this simplicity makes it stand out. But of course, tastes vary. The phone is made of plastic and it features an HD screen with a resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels and a pixel density of 263 pixels per inch. The screen is an IPS LCD with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. For the price, the screen is excellent, offering a smooth user experience and good performance for the money. The screen quality is HD Plus with a resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels and a pixel density of 203 pixels per inch. It is an IPS LCD screen with a 120% Hz refresh rate. Considering the price, the screen is excellent, offering very good performance and experience with a 120% refresh rate. This is a strong feature for the price and will provide you with a satisfying user experience based on the amount you pay. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 processor with a 12nm manufacturing process. This processor is quite new and closely resembles the MediaTek Helio G885 with a slight difference in performance. In this price range, the processor performs really well, allowing you to handle everyday tasks like browsing, making calls, and watching YouTube videos, along with playing light games. Even larger games like PUBG can run, but with average performance since it's a budget phone. The phone comes in 4 versions: 128GB with 4GB RAM, 128GB with 6GB RAM, 256GB with 4GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM. The phone also supports an external memory card with a dedicated slot. Cameras. The phone has 2 rear cameras, the primary one being 50 megapixel and the second is an AI camera. You can shoot full HD videos at 30 frames per second. The front camera is 8 megapixel. Battery. The battery has a capacity of 5000 mAh, which is quite large and provides good performance. It supports 18-watt fast charging. The phone runs on Android 14 straight out of the box. Unfortunately, it doesn't support NFC, which we had hoped for, but considering the price, it's not a major drawback. Pros. The phone features a large 6.67-inch display, covering most of the front area with a punch hole for the front camera in the center at the top. The phone supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals. It comes with an octa-core MediaTek Helio G81 processor with clock speeds of 2 and 1.8 GHz, providing good and acceptable performance. 50 megapixel camera. Tecno Spark 30C comes with a dual rear camera of 50 megapixel and 0.8 megapixel. The camera supports background blur mode and 1080p FHD video recording. The phone is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery. The phone supports 18-watt fast charging for quicker battery recharge. It includes a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button on the side of the device. The phone comes with large internal storage options, either 128GB or 256GB. The phone is equipped with dual speakers that provide stereo sound. Cons. Gyroscope. The phone is not equipped with a gyroscope sensor. Weak front camera video. The front camera does not support video recording in 1080p Full HD. No 4K video recording. The phone does not support 4K video recording. No ultra-wide camera. The phone does not come with an ultra-wide angle camera. Pricing and competition. The 128GB version with 4GB RAM is priced at $90. If you're not impressed with this phone, you might consider its direct competitor, the Realme C51, which has a similar processor and screen quality, but with a lower refresh rate, 90Hz. However, Realme offers faster charging at 33 watt compared to 18 watt on the Tecno. If there's a phone you'd like us to review, write its name in the comments. And don't forget to share your opinion on the Tecno Spark 30C. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.